Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ChatGPT for content briefs and editorial workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ChatGPT account. Navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings, locate the section for configuring models. Select the model that best suits your content brief needs. Next, familiarize yourself with the API options if you're using ChatGPT through an integration. Ensure you have access to the appropriate permissions for content creation. Decide on the type of content you need, such as blog posts, social media updates, or newsletters. Create a template for your content brief. Include fields for the topic, target audience, tone, and key messages. Fill in the relevant fields with specific information for your content piece. Use ChatGPT's input box to generate initial drafts based on your brief. Experiment with different prompts to refine the output. Review the generated content for accuracy and relevance. If necessary, iterate on the content by providing feedback to improve the next output. Once satisfied, move on to the editing phase. Incorporate any additional research or insights to enhance the content. Utilize ChatGPT to brainstorm headlines or subheadings as needed. Collaborate with team members by sharing the drafts for feedback. Incorporate the feedback to create the final draft. Finally, save and organize all versions of your content brief for future reference. Ensure all relevant stakeholders have access to the finalized content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.